Hey, today is March 1st and my cell phone only has 1 minute of recording time, so I'll talk extremely fast. But I'm actually growing out my hair again. It's growing out pretty fast, huh? On the top at least. I gave myself a haircut yesterday actually. Alrighty, this is what it's looking like. Oops, I don't know what I hit on. I'm right in front of a big bright window here. And this is what it is looking like. Okay, there it is. Okay then. How's it looking? Okay, I guess I don't have much to say and there's only 18 seconds left. So this is my hair transplant, FUE, got it back in 2013 and 2014. And you can see all the other videos I have on my channel. Subscribe to check them out, to follow the journey. I've been talking for years about getting more done, but I haven't done it yet. Anyways, bye.